A survey of senior law enforcement officials indicates 63% say over their careers they've seen an increase in calls related to someone having a mental health crisis. That's why police departments, like the one at University of Michigan Flint, are taking a proactive approach. U of M Flint's Public Safety Department has added a co-responder social worker. The focus is mental health, but the role also helps people gain employment and helps some with housing. And as Martez Warren tells us, he believes he is already making a difference.
This is my third week.
Born and raised in Flint, Martez Warren knows this community. He's also been here working as a social worker since 2010. But this job at the University of Michigan Flint Department of Public Safety, it's brand new to him.
I joke with the officers all the time that the mind of a social worker and the mind of a police officer is completely opposite.
However, that mind of a social worker is transforming policing in Genesee County.
When encountering people who are committing crimes or doing things that is not the best thing for our society, there's always an underlying issue that we must give attention to. And I believe a lot of police officers, they really don't have the time to investigate what's happening in the mind of an individual.
Once he can get into the mind of a person and meet them where they are, then he can help them. PIO James Wheeler says this is all part of their philosophy and says it was Chief Ray Hall who made this happen.
He's the one who really wanted to implement that through our problem-oriented policing philosophy at the University of Michigan Flint.
This not only helps students at the university, it helps the overall community because the Public Safety Department covers downtown Flint as well.
That's very important for people to understand. We're in support of the city of Flint.
This position was made possible through a grant from the Michigan Commission on Law Enforcement Standards.
By adding a social worker, by being a co-responder, we can make a difference in so many people's lives. Because at first, the only option would have been possibly to the jail. But now we have other types of opportunities available.
They call it compassionate problem solving in law enforcement. And again, they tell me it's already working.